Hi, this is Chanchal. Today I'm going to show you how to download Utorrent. Firstly, open your favorite browser. Write down here Utorrent. Then click on the very first link, that is the utorrent.com. And then here is the two options. That is, first one is Utorrent Web. If you want that one, you can download it from here. And the second one is Utorrent Classic. I'm clicking here. Now click on the very basic one, that is free of cost. After clicking on that one, your download has started. After your download has completed, click on the show in folder option and double click on here. Then it will going to install. It will ask you some permission, so click on yes. And here your Utorrent installation is going to start. So click on next, again next. Now click on agree and then accept. Again accept. If you don't want the desktop icon, you can untick here. Then again next. It is not going to take too much time. And then click on finish and your installation is completed. Now you can see that icon in your desktop, and here it is. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.